Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be going through all the new releases that I have for this week. I have 3 new kits, and then I also have one sheet of just icons that I wanted to share. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get started with this kit, which is our Mother's Day kit. This is the full boxes for the Mother's Day kit, and I love the colors. You guys know that I'm really into pastels, and that shows a lot in like the artwork that I choose to use. But I really love like this double box with like all the treats and stuff. And this full box says, "She is strong, fearless, warm, loving, patient, selfless mom." And I really love how this turned out. So here are your half boxes, and then the decorative boxes, that's what I call it in the shop. Your check boxes, sidebar, and then your weekend page. I have a little bit of deco here, and the final page in the kit is the bottom washi. So I do have a few add-ons and like my new releases as far as icons kind of pertains to Mother's Day, so I'll show you that as well. So for the add-ons for this, I do have your matching icons, and I changed it up a little bit like I said I would, and I forgot which ones I changed, but there are a few ones in here that are different from the last icons, and I'll probably change these a lot because I get really bored. And then here is your quarter boxes that match the kit. And then for the add-on, I have this Mother's Day sheet, so it's just a bunch of Mother's Day icons, and I did one like it's a separate listing for like to match this kit if you wanted to use it for this kit, but I also have another listing with just all the regular colorways that I have in my shop in case you don't want to use this kit. So I really love how this turned out. I love like the balloons that say mom and the box of chocolates, or like breakfast in bed, or like a little kid's drawing. I don't know about you guys, my kids constantly give me artwork. So yeah, that is Mother's Day. My next kit up is called Beach Vibes. I actually used this artwork last year. It was the first artwork that I used like when I first came back and opened my shop up last year, and I knew I wanted to redo this artwork. I feel like I'm more comfortable with foiling now. I feel like my style's changed a little bit, and I felt like I could have done this kit a little bit better. So I did, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. This double box is like so cute to me with like the little crab and then like the sunset. I don't know, I just think it's adorable, and I think that these colors, especially this like coral like or this peach color with this lilac, is really pretty together. So I am happy with how this came out. Those are the full boxes. Here are your half boxes, and then your decorative boxes. I really love this box. I feel like it would be such a good box to layer like a script on because it's kind of busy, has artwork on it, so I don't really think you can write much on there, but I think it would look really cute as a background. And your check boxes, sidebar page, and I'm just quickly flipping through them because it's the same format. Here's a little bit of deco and the weekend. Your bottom washi, which I just absolutely love this bottom washi. I think it's so pretty, like the ombre. I don't know, I just really love this artwork. And then here is your deco sheet. I added 8, I think, of these that has like the flat edge, and then just a bunch of boxes that you can use, and floral. And I love like this smaller floral. I feel like I can use those a little bit more easily in the way I plan, but I know not everyone plans the way I do, so I try to be open to way other people plan. But yeah, that is Beach Vibes. And then for this kit, I do have your icons that match the kit, and then your quarter boxes, the foiled ones. So that is Beach Vibes. And for my absolute favorite for this week's release is Mermaid Waves. I just really love how this worked out. I almost did not complete this kit because it was, I don't know, I just felt like I couldn't do it. I was like, I can't make this work, or the full boxes wasn't really vibing with each other the way that I was designing them. But I went to bed and I woke up the next day and I'm like, okay, let me try this one more time, and I love how this turned out. Again, I love this double box, like the little jellyfish. I think the flowers are just really pretty, and the colors are really pretty. So these are the full boxes, your half boxes, your decorative ones, the checklists, and then here is your sidebar page.
and get you, like, I'm trying to show the foil, but I'm also trying to show like the whole page in the screen. Here's the weekend with a little bit of deco. The bottom washi, which again, I absolutely love how this turned out. I think the flowers are just so pretty. And then my favorite page is this little, like the deco sheet. This one, I just went with a whole bunch of deco. There's no like flat edge ones. Well, I guess, is there? No, there's not. I don't know. I just wanted to do something different. And I love this little box here because of the little fish that's up there. And I don't know, I just really love the artwork in this kit. The flowers, again, are really pretty to me. And that's that. And then to match that, I have the icon page and your foiled quarter boxes. All right, so that's all the new releases for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.